Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add a paper texture as your background in a design on Canva. So here you just need to finish your design first, and then after that go straight to elements and search for the paper texture elements in here. Okay, and after that just find the one you like. Okay, so here I'm going to click on see all and find the one that I'm going to use. So for example, I want to use, okay, maybe this one. And after that you can just adjust the size like this, and after that click on the position option at the top, and here and at the arrange choose to back, and after that you can just click on this transparency option and adjust the transparency into your liking. I'm going to go with 65 and you are done. Okay, so that's how you can add a paper texture to your background in Canva. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also click on subscribe. Bye!